Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Leslie. So lately I just really like the book stacks that everyone makes, but I want to make some super quick because I'm in the middle of a master bedroom redo and I want some for my nightstand and I don't really want to spend any money. So I came up with a way for them to be super cute without using paint or stamps. Just something that I could do. I'm gonna show you a way that I did end up spending 68 cents. So if this interests you, please give this a big like, definitely subscribe. Let's just get right into this. Okay, let me show you how we're gonna do this. I have tons of old romance novels all around my house. And if you don't have any books that you want to do this to, go to the Goodwill, go to the Salvation Army, the thrift store. They have them there super cheap. The one stipulation that you do need is you need an empty blank page at the back because that is actually going to be the top of our book. And so definitely when you're looking for books to buy to do this, make sure you do have a blank page in the back. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Okay, so basically all I want you to do is I want you to start to rip off the front. And look, as you're ripping it, usually the spine starts to come also. So just rip that off. Oh, this is perfect. See that? That's totally how we want it to be. We want it to look rustic like that. Okay, and then go ahead and rip the back one off. Get that little bit off there. Okay, and then see right here how this had this back page, but we want the blank back page. Just get to the back page. There it is. Rip that one off. Because that one doesn't matter anyway. And then if you have a little bit of extra stuff here, just take that off. It just comes right off. So easy, so fast. No painting involved. We don't want to do all that. And then if you want to make it look a little, I just got an old nail file. Let's kind of get those little pieces off there. Keep that little scruffy rustic look. Smooth it out a little bit. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. Look at that book. This side doesn't matter because this is the side that's going to be laying down. And on top of that, the best part is this book is still usable if you want to read it. So you're not completely destroying a book just for decorative use. Okay, so now we have that part done. So now most people, they have painted the books and then now they'll stamp the sides or paint the sides. But I don't have time for all that. I need to do this quick and I need to do this fast. So I measured how thick my spine was. It's usually basically around an inch. Yeah, so it's an inch wide. So there's two ways to do this. If you do not have a Cricut, then you don't have to do it this way. If you have a Cricut, the easiest way is to just print the words off on vinyl and boom, they're done. This one I'm gonna show you I'm making with my Cricut and it's gonna say you, me, and the dogs because it's for my husband and next to our bed and you know, just me and Jason and the dogs live here now. So, oh my goodness, so simple. But if you don't have a Cricut, get ready. You can spend 68 cents at Walmart and they have letters. So simple. And you can just put the letters. I got ones that I knew would be the right size for this and you can just put the words on the side. Let me show you how cute this ended up looking. This is so simple. And then to finish it all off, I'm just gonna use some twine to make it like cute and rustic. And they also sold these cute little sprigs at Walmart. I don't even know if it was $1 to be honest. So total, I think I spent like $2. I already had the twine, but if you need to buy inexpensive twine, they have that at the Dollar Tree for $1. So let me show you what this looks like put together. So simple. I was thinking about doing something cute, maybe on one of these and doing like Home Sweet Home, because you guys all know I love my home. My home is my favorite place. So I'm just gonna do that as an example for you. I also think I want this to go over, I don't know, probably about 3 to 4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 4. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look so cute. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 other books and do Sweet Home, and then this set is done. The other set that I was making that said You, Me, and the Dogs, I'm gonna do that one on my Cricut, and then I'll show you both, and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to take some twine. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, and this cost me like no money. I have the words printed off. I just put some little transfer paper. Man, I gotta tell ya, the 68-cent stickers seems like the way to go. I don't know why, but I don't like this and. It looks like a 3 to me. I'm changing that. Hold on. I like that and much better. That other one looked like a backwards 3. I hope that you guys felt like these were as easy to do as I did. I love that you don't hardly have to spend any money. I was done like that. It was super fast. I didn't have to go run all around. And honestly, I think the ones with the stickers were easier to do than the vinyl ones because you had to use the transfer paper. But I think they both turned out really cute. I hope this gives you inspiration to just do some real quick for your house. Stay tuned because these will be coming up in my master bedroom makeover that we're in the process of doing. That'll be out here in just a few weeks. It should be awesome. So we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.